Hello guys, my name is Justin and welcome back to another POV video. Today, after a while, I took my car for a drive. As you can see, it is a very beautiful day. It is still 10 a.m. in the morning, so perfect time to go for a drive. Right now I'm going to the gas station to get some fuel, and don't mind the check engine light. I got a misfire, so that's why it's there. But yeah, I'll try to talk as less as I can so you just can enjoy this POV drive. Talking about what I did to the car is I changed the wheels to the BBS replicas. I had to get the tires replaced because I bought the wheels with some tires, but they were too thick to run under the rear wheel arches because it was rubbing. So I replaced the tires with some 18-inch 225/45 tires, and it works perfectly now. So when I go to the car wash, I will show you how the car looks on new wheels. It drives awesome as always. And yeah, my plans that I talked about in the previous video haven't changed. So yeah, the project is pretty much still on. It's gonna take some time, but I'm very stoked to continue with this car. Let's add 30 euros of fuel. Okay, so the fuel is just right above half tank, so I shouldn't be getting any misfires anymore. I don't know why it still gives me a misfire when it is under half a tank of fuel. I replaced the fuel pump, the fuel filter, checked the injectors, replaced the spark plugs, the coil packs, everything has been replaced, and it still gives me a stupid misfire, and I don't know why. But yeah, maybe I'll figure it out. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what to check in anymore. Right now I'm going to the car wash because the car is dirty as F. So I need to get it washed. So yeah, enjoy my drive to the car wash. So you saw my new wheels. Oh, the trunk is open. I need to go close it. So you saw my new wheels. Tell me in the comment section down below what you think about them. Do you like them or not? As I said, these are BBS, I think BBS RS replicas or RC replicas, I don't remember, but yeah, they were pretty cheap for 18-inch wheels. So yeah, I bought them and I'm quite happy with them. So now I think maybe I should go, since the car is clean, do some photos, do some shopping, and yeah, I'll take you for a drive up to the supermarket. So yeah guys, this will be it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more BMW related content. And tell me in the comment section down below, do you want full talking POV videos where I talk about some sort of topic, or do you want a video like this where I stay sort of quiet? So yeah, I'm trying out new things to see what you guys like. The last POV video did really well, so that's why I'm doing another one. But yeah, again, as always, thank you very much for watching, and until next time.